Okay, game. So now, for case number 2, remember, pag trigonometry and solving values of trig functions, tatlong case lang siya. Okay? Actually, dalawang major case, isa is within unit circle, isa is beyond unit circle. Pero yung within, naka-divide siya sa, dito ba siya sa quadrant 1? Which is just finger magic. Nandito siya sa quadrants 2, 3, 4, which is just reference theta plus cast. And the reference theta, technically, it's just also finger magic. Okay? Pero for now, let's dig into some more technical terms pagdating sa unit circle. Kasi 'di ba, case 1 and case 2 is nasa unit circle nga. So, ito tayo dito. Coterminal angles. Okay? So, coterminal angle, sila yung pinaikot-ikot, pero tanga pa rin sila. Charot. Sila yung pinaikot-ikot, tapos same pa rin sila. Okay? First is, we need to know kung ano yung positive and negative angles. Okay? Di ba? This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So that is, anong direction niya? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Remember, pag clockwise, relo siya ng orasan. Di ba? Ang clockwise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ito yung clockwise. Eh yung bilang ng ating quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pabaliktad siya. Di ba? So the actual positive theta is actually counterclockwise. And let me just get my water. Okay, game. So, the actual positive theta is just counterclockwise. So, kapag positive yung angle, pwede mong soluhin like this or just remember kung paano nag-run yung quadrants 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun yung positive angle. Okay? Ngayon, ang funny kasi dito, lahat sila may jowa. Okay? Kung meron positive angle, meron siyang jowa na negative angle. Hindi pwedeng wala. May pair sila lagi. Sa mangit case sa kanila. So, if meron kayong positive 120 degrees, 'di ba? Ilan yung degrees yung isang bilog? 'Di ba? That is 360 degrees. So meron siyang counterpart. No matter what happens, may ka-pair siya. Na ilan yung kulang sa 120 para maging 360 siya? 'Di ba? 360 minus 120 is 240 degrees. Ibig sabihin, sa kabilang panig ng mundo, merong nasa kabilang direction pero pupuntahan siya kahit saan siya mapunta. Ayun siya. That's gonna be the negative angle. Okay? So, no matter what happens, lagi siyang may ka-pair. Kunyari, ito, ano yung angle natin? Kunyari, yung positive angle mo is 80 degrees. Di ba? This is positive 80 degrees. And, meron siyang red string na hahanapin siya no matter what happens. Pupuntahan siya. And anong angle na to? Di ba? This is 80 degrees and this one is what? That is 280 degrees para maging 360 yung total. Ba, iikutin nila yung mundo hanggang sa magtagpo sila. Hindi siya pwedeng mawala. Okay? And label, this is negative 280 degrees. So the negative in angles is not hard. It's just saying na galing siya sa kabilang direction. Okay? Oh, next. For example, our angle is malaki. 'Di ba? Sabi niya, ayoko, ayoko nang magjowa. So, hanggang 50 years old, wala siyang jowa. Umabot na siya hanggang dito. 'Di ba? Matandang dalaga. Kunyari, this is 340 degrees. Okay? Ngayon, ilang degrees na lang yung ka-partner niya. Parang bakit pala pakinggan, no? Naging 20 degrees na lang bata. So, ito na lang yung jowa niya. That is negative 20 degrees. Okay? So, kahit saan quadrant siya mapunta, may jowa pa rin siya. Yun yung positive and negative. Okay? And remember, ano yung direction? 1, 2, 3, 4. The positive runs with the quadrants and is 1, 2, 3, 4 counterclockwise or clockwise? That's counterclockwise. Kasi clockwise is 1, 2, 3, 4, just like your relo. Okay? Any questions with that? So yun siya. Yung una niyang ka-pair. Ang sunod na magiging magka-pares is what we call the coterminal angles. Kapag coterminal angles naman, let's duplicate this and delete, 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 delete. Okay? Kapag angles, di ba, meron kang initial side and terminal side. It's just ano yung tawag sa dalawang ray ng angle. Di ba? Initial, saka terminal side. Angle is dalawang rays. Okay? Kaya dun sa National Max kagabi, parang awa nyo na, walang angle na balikwet. Okay? Look at this. Look at the national mocks, sorry, UPCAT primer question. UPCAT primer. Saan na yan? Okay. So dito, ang tanong kasi dito was angle CBO. Okay? Angle CBO. And may nagsabi na itong angle yun, yan daw yung CBO. Eh, saan galing yan? Isang arc, tapos isang straight line. Anong klaseng angle yan? Bumalikwat. Di ba? So the correct answer for angle CBO is you have to draw an imaginary line from C to B to O. Ayun siya. Kasi angles is made up of dalawang ray. The initial and the terminal side. Okay? So you have to be careful with that. Kaya dito, initial and terminal side. In the technical definitions, coterminal angles just means na nagtapos sila sa parehas na location. Diba? Look at this. 45 degrees is dito hanggang dito. Eh, okay? Kaso yung 45 degrees, kunyari, nag-travel siya all around the world. Diba? What is all around the world? That is 360 degrees. Kaso, bumalik siya dun sa pinagmulan niya. So that is 360 plus 45 degrees. That is 405 degrees. Okay? That means coterminal angles, terminal, nagta-terminate sila sa same na location. Okay? And if magta-terminate sila sa same na location, that means you just have to add 360, 360, 360. So it's just kung ano yung original na angle plus 360n. Kasi kahit makailang ikot yan, basta saktong 360, babalik at babalik ka sa kanya. Okay? 45 degrees plus 360n. So it's usually theta plus 360n in the positive direction. Okay? Pwede rin mong magkaroon ng coterminal sa negative direction? Yes. Kasi basta nag-end sila sa same side. Pero naman yung sa negative direction. Sa negative direction, siya yung jowa niya. Okay? Kasi hinanap niya eh. Diba? So if hinanap niya, 45 degrees, hinanap siya ng jowa niya, and that is 360 minus 45. Okay? So that is negative 315 degrees. So coterminal angles is pwedeng from the positive side, which is this plus 360 plus 360 plus 360, and dito, magkakaroon ka ng ibang reference that's gonna be negative 315 degrees. Okay? Any questions with that? So if dito, just balikan natin dito. Oh, ayan. So dito sa Pythagorean triples, tignan natin dito. So fundamentals, sides, right triangle, Pythagorean, common Pythagorean, left triangle, special angles, discuss ko yan soon. Right triangle trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA, remember that? SOHCAHTOA, and six trigonometric functions, which is just that. And then, not that yet. Unit circle, it's just that. Quadrant, and special angle, complete, reference angles, kasunod pa yan. Yun, coterminal angles. So dito sa coterminal angle, di ba, may formula. But it's just coterminal angles. Ito yung original theta, and then 360k. Okay? Repetitive lang siya. So, maghahanap tayo ng iba pang examples na pwede no, kailan magiging ganito, kailan magiging ganyan, kailan magiging ganyan. But, sa UPCAT kasi, medyo, ang tanong dyan, which of this is coterminal to this angle? So, ako, ang pinakamadaling way is i-drawing mo yung angle na yon. Tapos, gamitin mo yung formula or i-drawing mo paikot-ikot. Tapos, makikita mo na siya. Or, i-subtract mo isa-isa and alin yung may divisible by 360. Okay? Punta tayo dito. So that's coterminal angles. Now let's get samples. Okay, so please answer. Give me two coterminal angles of the following. Isang positive and isang negative. Guys, pabilisan. Give me two coterminal angles, isang positive and isang negative ng 80 degrees and 105 degrees. Go. Okay, time's up. Answers, ayan. So, two coterminal angles, again, geometry is all about drawing. So, if gusto mong mag-drawing, why not? Walang pipigil sa'yo mag-drawing. Okay? Start tayo sa 80 degrees. So, we have 80 degrees. Eok, eok. Wow, may sound effects, ano? Siyempre. So, 80 degrees is nandito siya. Una mong kailangan malaman is nasan siyang quadrant. So, siguro naman, alam mo na this is 0, 90, 180, and 270 degrees. Okay? So, 0 to this guy, that's 80 degrees. Okay? Hanap tayo ng positive ng coterminal angle. Anong mangyari? Ikot mo ng isa hanggang makarating dito. So, that's just 80 plus 360 or 440 degrees. Okay? Pwede ring 80 degrees plus 720 degrees. That is 800 degrees. Okay? No matter what happens, pare-parehas lang naman siya. Okay? Any questions? Kasi pag nagdalawang ikot ka, tatlong ikot, coterminal means kahit saan man kayo dali ng kapalaran, babalik ka sa kanya. Sino nga hindi move on sa X? Ayan pala siya yung coterminal angles. Okay? Ayan, ngayon, negative. Paano ngayon pag negative? Anong mga negative natin dito? Ang negative is from the kabila, yung jowa niya sa kabilang side. So, it's just gonna be blue naman. Dito, that's it. That is 360 minus 80 degrees naman siya. Tingnan yung difference. So, binaliktad lang siya. That is negative 280 degrees. Any questions with that? Okay, matayo dito sa kabila. 105 degrees. Diba? So we have, kaso 90 nga to pare eh. Diba? Dito na siya. Okay? 105. Okay? So isang coterminal is 360 plus 45 degrees. That is, and yung isang paggaling sa kabilang side, that is 360 minus 105 degrees. Okay? So this is gonna be, oops, slow but wait lang. The charger. Ayan. So this is gonna be 5 and then 405 degrees. This is gonna be 360 minus 105. So 360, 260, 155 degrees. That's coterminal. So siya yung basics. Okay? Coterminal means same lang sila ng paglalapagan. Any questions? Okay? So ngayon, challenge. Give me another negative angle na coterminal yung 80 and 105. Everyone, give me another coterminal angle na negative. Go. Another coterminal angle na negative. Saan siya manggagaling? Negative. Okay, negative 740. Diyan pa ba kayo, guys? So, if another negative, ang ikot niya galing sa kabila. Okay? 'Di ba? This is negative 280. So, ang ikot niya to end here is another 360 tapos ilalagay mo siya dito. So, technically, mag-add ka ng 360 in magnitude or mag-subtract ka ng another 360 sa kanya. Okay, so 8 plus 6 is 4. So, negative 280 tapos minus 360 pa just to get that and that's gonna be 0 for carry 1. Yeah, hindi pala siya basa. Duplicate ko na lang sa dito. Okay, and that's delete, delete, delete. Ayan, nawala tuloy yung ano. So, answers. Ayan, negative 640. Diba? I-add mo lang tong dalawa. So, that's gonna be 280 plus 360. Remember, the plus or minus here is kinda commonsensical. Okay? If you're at negative 280, commonsensically, magdadagdag ka ng 360. Diba? Pero kapag ginawa mo siyang ganito, magiging positive bigla. Pero, since I wanted a negative na value, isa-subtract mo sila like this one. It's gonna be negative 640. Okay? Pero ang tanong ko, what if ginawa ko siyang positive? Okay? What if nagkamali ako na negative 280 plus 360, that is 120 degrees. Is it still gonna be a coterminal? Yes or no? Pag ginamitan ko yun, is it gonna be a coterminal? Ano na? That's gonna be, ay, bakit kasi 120? Bono ka mag-subtract. I'm sorry. My bad. So, 360 plus minus 280, that's gonna be 80 degrees. Is it gonna be coterminal? Well, obvious na pala. Yes! Bumalik siya sa uno. Tignan nyo, it's 80 na rin. 'Di ba? So, don't worry. Kahit positive or negative world kayo, 360 lang yung iniikot-ikot nyo. 'Di ba? Ito siya. Ito lang gusto kong i-pinpoint dito para hindi kayo matakot and malito. 'Di ba? This is 80 degrees. Tapos ngayon, ang ginawa mo, nagkaroon ka ng jowa from kabila, that is negative 280 degrees. Tapos, imbes na mag-subtract ka, naging positive siya. So, ang ginawa mo, bumalik ka pa ganun. 'Di ba? That is a complete turn. So, dito ka pa rin babagsak. So, positive man or negative, basta 360 yung inad mo, coterminal angles pa rin silang lahat. Okay? So, the point here is, kahit magkamali ka ng positive or negative at this point, papatak at papatak pa rin sila dapat sa same na terminal side. If katulad kanina, naging 120 yung sagot ko, if nag-iba yan, kabahan ka na. Okay? That's the point of coterminality. Any questions? Okay, so that's the second to the last. The third term is reference angle. The reference angle is just ang dami. So you can memorize this, that, or you can just memorize it as a single phrase called with respect to x-axis. Okay? Yes, there are formulas, pero you just have to check gano'n siya kalayo sa x-axis. Okay? For example, let's give some values. Kunyari, this one. Okay? Let's say this is 50 degrees. Yung reference angle is siya na mismo. Kaya T prime is equal to T. Kasi siya yung pinakamalapit sa x-axis eh. Wala na siyang pagbabago. Okay? Dito, kunyari, this angle, let's give it a name. Kunyari siya si 130 degrees. Okay? Ang sabi dito, T prime or the reference angle is 180 minus T. Yes, you can memorize. Or you can just use common sense na, saan ba siya mas malapit na x-axis, guys? Sa kaliwa or sa kanan? Di ba sa kaliwa? Ibig sabihin, gano'ng kalayo tong angle na to dito? That is the reference theta. Okay? With respect to the x-axis. And you know na this is 130 and this linear one is 180. So, ilan yung kulang para sa violet na to? That is 50 degrees. Di ba? So, nagkataon lang yan na 50 and 50 to. Baguhin ko pala example. Gawin ko siyang, bakit kasi ginawa kong same? So, kunyari, that is 120 degrees. Okay? Na 120 degrees to. And again, the reference angle just means na with respect to x. So, ilan yung kulang para maging 180 from here? That is 60 degrees. So, reference theta is just equal to 60 degrees with respect to x. Okay? Dito, hanggang dito siya umabot to. So, bigyan natin siya ng value. Kunyari siya si, green naman ulit. Kunyari siya si 90, 180, 210 degrees. Okay? What is the reference theta for case number 3? O, pabilisin nga. Ano reference theta for case number 3 via 210 degrees? Type. Hanggang dito is 210 degrees. Eh sabi ko, di ba, with respect to x. So if it is with respect to x, nasan yung pinakamalapit na x? Ito or ito? Of course, ito. Di ba? Eh, ilan to? From here to there. Di ba? Hanggang dito nga is 180. So, ilan ang sobra sa 180? 30 degrees. Di ba? Kaya siya naging t minus 180 degrees. Okay, and then lastly, ito. Kunyari, let's say this is 300 degrees. Bakit violet? Green naman. Green ulit. So we have 300 degrees. Okay? Ano na yung pinakamalapit sa kanya na x-axis? Ito. So ilan pa yung kulang niya para makarating dyan? Eh, ano ba yung total dito? Pag umikot na siya dyan, that is 360 degrees. Ilan pa yung kulang? From 300 to 360. Diba? 60 degrees. So reference data, you can memorize the formula or you can just use sentido común na with respect to x. Any questions? Yun lang. And with that, we move on to, okay na yan. Okay na yan. So, principal angle, ito, just to discuss it quickly, sketch of the principal angle is yung positive x, positive theta. When we say principal, it is from 0 to 360. But it just means na positive direction. Okay? Kasi pwede rin magkaroon ng negative angles. Pero for now, bakit tayo naman siya mamaya? Principal just means this one. And the reference data is just with respect to x. Okay? And the next is finger magic, which is na-discuss natin sa case number 1. The final term na you should memorize or know is the magic of cast. Okay? Cast is C-A-S-T. Cosine is positive. All trigo functions are positive. Sine is positive and tangent is positive. Tapos na. If we're gonna use values, for example, ang tinanong dito is, kunyari, the triangle is nandito. Tapos ang tinanong is, what is the value of cosine theta? Eh, tangent nga lang yung positive dito. That means the value of cosine theta is negative. Pag tinanong yung value ng tangent theta, that means positive yung value ng tangent theta. Yun lang yung cast. Any questions with that? Okay? So now, we go to the two types. Yun ang intro. Okay? Now, we go to the two types. The meaning two types, di ba? Number 1 is quadrant 1. Number 2 is unit circle trigonometry from quadrants 2 to 4. And number 3 is beyond unit circle trigonometry. So, let's go here. Tapusin na natin siya. Okay? So, when you see this question, what is the value of cosine 150? Diba? Hot dog. So, kapag ganito, is it within unit circle or beyond unit circle? Please type nga, is it within or beyond unit circle? Remember, if degrees lang like this, wala namang binigay na sides, wala kang magamit sa SOHCAHTOA. So, it is within unit circle. And it's actually just, type nga guys, within or beyond? Yan, within. Okay? Actually, it's technically on. Nasa unit circle siya, pero mas maganda kasi pakinggan. So, cosine 150 is, you just have to draw it, and then, kunin mo yung reference data, and then, you have to do the finger magic, and then via cast, tapos na. Ganito lang siya kabilis. Okay? So, pag nakakita kayo ng cosine 7 pi over 2 or something, it's just actually, kino-convert lang to degrees muna, and then tapos na. Okay? So, ngayon, punta tayo dito. Isa-isa natin yung steps dito. Unit circle trigonometry, 4 steps lang siya. 4 steps. First is, you have to plot the triangle. Kasi if ipa-plot mo siya, alam mo na kung positive or negative siya based sa cast. And then you just have to get the reference angle, finger magic, and nilagay ko sa dulo yung cast kasi parang siyang, di ba, pag may value ka na, saka mo lalagyan ng positive or negative. Okay? And kapag beyond the unit circle trigonometry, yung may legs na malalaki, it's still the same. You have to plot or locate, and then SOHCAHTOA, complement triangle, SOHCAHTOA. Okay? Kaya sabi ko, madali lang siya kasi look, plot, finger magic, cast. Plot, SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. Okay? Tapusin natin siya. So, quaternion angles, discuss natin yan. Ito na kailangan nyo malaman dito. Degrees to radians. Okay? So, dito, for example, ano ba yung nasa sample ko yun? Diretso tayo dito. Hindi nakakatakot. Hindi nakatakot. Wala hindi nakatakot. Ito, sine, cosine. Ito, di ba? Negative 7 pi over 2. O, try natin to. I-convert natin siya. Okay? So, cosine 7 pi over 2. So, kapag ganito, di ba, the 7 pi over 2, yun lang yung angle niya. Okay? And remember, dito, radians means degrees times 180. Anong palatandaan ko dyan? If may pi sa taas, lagyan mo ng pi sa baba. Tapos i-part mo yung 180. Okay? Kasi kailangan makancel yung pi eh. And if, for example, you just have sine of 90 degrees, kailangan mo siyang i-convert to radians. Radians and degrees. Okay, radians is may pi. May pi ba dyan? No? Wala. So kapag walang pi dyan, edi yung 90 degrees, lagyan mo ng pi sa taas, lagay mo yung 180 sa baba. Kapag walang pi, partneran mo ng pi. I-cancel mo yan, so it's gonna be pi over 2. Kapag may pi, lagyan mo ng pi sa baba. I-cancel mo yan. 'Di ba? When we convert, it's either lalagyan natin siya ng pi or aalisin natin siya ng pi. So, to memorize the formula, kailangan cancelable lagi si pi. Okay? So, dito, negative sine 7 pi over 2, that, ikunin mo natin yung angle. Okay? So, canceled si pi, and then 180 divided by 2, that is 90. So, 90 times 7, what is 9 times 7? That is, what's 9 times 7, guys? So, that is 63. Okay? That means this is just negative 630 degrees. So ngayon, kita nyo na. 'Di ba? From that scary fraction, scary pi hotdog pi na yan, this is just equivalent to 630 degrees and negative. And we have to draw it. If we draw this, that's gonna be what? Negative direction. So mala siya dito pag ganun. Okay? So that is 360. Then, 'di ba? You have to kailangan mo magalis ng 360 dyan. O, if mano-mano, negative 630 minus 360. So, i-derate mo lang siyang ganyan. Just gagawin natin example mamaya. Okay? So, lahat ng may radians, radians means may pi. Okay? Degrees to radians, may pi. And radians to degrees means walang pi. Lagay mo lang, nasan si pi, idadagdag or i-cancel and i-pair mo si 180. Okay? Ngayon, reference angle, which is na-discuss ko na kanina, diba? This is case 1. If theta to, nandyan lang siya. If case 2, nandito, diba? Ito yung principal angle natin. Pero yung theta dito, ilan yung kulang para makarating siya sa 180? That is 180 over what? And then dito, ilan yung sobra? Pagalag pa siya sa 180. And then dito, 360 minus that. Okay? Ngayon, okay, muna tayo dyan. And reference angle. Ayan, ibang samples natin. 45 degrees with respect to x. 45 degrees na 15, which is na-discuss ko naman na kanina. And finger magic ulit, and then cast. So like the unit circle trigonometry. Okay? What is the value of cosine 5 pi over 6? So sige nga, hula, sa mga may kaya. Please answer, what is the value of cosine 5 pi over 6? Go. File, make a copy. And, delete ko lang to. Delete. So first is i-convert nyo muna siya. If kaya nyo nang i-drawing ng naka-radians, that's better. Pero ako personally, kino-convert ko muna siya para hindi siya nakakalito. Kasi nakakalito talaga mag-drawing ng radians. Okay, game. Uy, wala nagsagot. Meron pala. Sagutan daw. Nag-away na sila. Okay, game. Sasagutin natin siya. So, isang example lang tayo kasi medyo crash course lang to. So, what's the exact value of cosine 5 pi over 6, diba? Ha, hotdog. Pag nakita to, skip. Pero again, natatakot yung iba, i-convert mo lang naman yan. Okay? Pag i-convert, anong sabi ko, diba? So, we have 5 pi over 6. May pi sa taas. Gusto mong makancel, lagyan mo ng pi sa baba. Tapos, ilagay mo yung 180 na ka-pair niya. Anong mangyari dyan? Mawawala na si pi. Ang matitira is this guy. Then, cancel muna. 180 divided by 6 is 3. 0. 5 times 3 is 150 degrees. Okay? Ayan na siya. So we now have cosine 5 pi over 6 is just equivalent to cosine of 150 degrees. Lahat ng nakakatakot sa UPCAT, i-convert mo para maging familiar ka and hindi na siya mahirap. Okay? And now after conversion, what do we do? Anong sabi ko? 'Di ba? Ayan. And then we just plot. Step 1 is plot or locate. So from 0 this is a positive angle. You just have to from 0 to 150, ayan na siya. 150 degrees. Plot lang. Tapos na. Second, we get the reference angle. Ano yung reference angle? Di ba ang sabi ko, the reference angle is with respect to x. Okay? So after drawing the 150 degrees, ilan yung kulang? Di ba? Saan siya mas malapit na x? Mas malapit siya sa x-axis na to. Okay? And this entirety is 180 degrees. So ilan yung kulang para maging 180 degrees to? Kasi nandito yung 180 degrees, di ba? That is 30. So 150 to 30 degrees. Ito yung reference theta natin. And again, after getting the reference theta, that's just the finger magic. Diba? Ano nga yung kulang na, ano nga yung sinasolve natin? We're solving for cosine 150 degrees. So what is cosine? Right from the start, that means this is cosine left. Okay? Oh, ngayon, let's solve. What is cosine? Diba? So, cosine 150, after drawing it, the purpose of getting the reference angle is kaya mo na siyang i-finger magic. Okay? So, cosine of 30 degrees is 0, 30. So, tiklop mo siya, and then 1, 2, 3. That means square root of 3 over 2. Tapos na. Okay? And the final step is just the cast, which is technically we'll locate it, which is nagawa na natin, and ilalagay natin kung positive ba siya or negative. Okay? Saan nga ulit matatagpuan yung triangle natin? Yung location, di ba? Ito siya. 150 degrees. Okay? And after getting 150 degrees, you get the reference theta. What's the reference theta? Ito yung kulang. So that is 30 degrees. Okay? Then convert mo na siya via finger magic. Cosine 30 degrees is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 30 degrees and this is tiklop. So cosine is square root of 3 over 2. And via cast, nasan si cast? Andito tayo. Diba? This means C-A-S-T, sine is positive. And since we're looking at cosine, will this be positive or negative? That's gonna be negative. Kasi sine nga lang yung positive dyan. Tapos na. See, under 60 seconds, you can actually solve yung hard na problem kanina because nakakatakot lang naman tignan yung pi. Di ba? Maraming nag-skip because, hala, may pi na. Pero if may pi na, i-convert mo lang and ganun lang siya kabilis. Any questions? That's it. For unit circle trigonometry, anything nandyan is just, balikan natin yung steps. Steps 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano nga yung steps 1, 2, 3, 4? Plot, reference angle, finger magic, and cast. Now let's solve more problems from the pretest. Pretest. Pili tayo. Pretest. Oh, evaluate cosine of negative 405 degrees. O, paano to? Game. So, dito na tayo sa whiteboard, of course. Kasi mas love natin siya kaysa kay Canva. So, dito, evaluate cosine of negative 405. Diba? Parang, ang laki. Ang laki. Sino tatakot sa malalaki? Di ba? Ano yung steps natin? Step 1 is plot or locate. Okay? So, nasan ba na si cosine 100 for negative 405? E di, gawin natin, drawing natin. Ito yung coordinate plane, and then we just draw. Negative means dito siya galing. And mas malaki siya sa 360 eh. Ibig sabihin, bumalik siya papunta dyan. So, i-subtract mo na. Okay? 405 minus 360 kasi siya yung isang ikot eh. Diba? So, that is gonna be 55 degrees. Okay? And 55 tuloy. 45 degrees. Okay? And via the concept ng negative angle siya, kasi nilalaro ko na rin yung magnitude eh. 'Di ba? This is still in the negative world. So that means umikot siya ng isa and umabot siya hanggang dito, which is just naging 45 degrees to. Okay? Umikot siya ng isa, 1, and then 360 na yan, makarating siya dito para maging negative 405 degrees. Okay? And usually, sinasubtract ko to para alam mo kung nasan siyang quadrant. Diba? Kasi if less than 360, alam mo kung nasan siya agad eh. But if ganito, isubtract mo lang yung 360, anong matitira? 45. Okay? And what's step number 2? Reference data. Okay? Ngayon, ang reference data is, ayan siya. Diba? With respect to x. E nasan ba yung pinakamalapit na x-axis? Ito. Ilan yung distance niya sa x-axis? 45 degrees. Okay? That means we can write this. Step number 3 is finger magic. So we can write this as what? Cosine of negative 405 degrees is equivalent to just cosine of 45 degrees. We don't care na about that negative sign kasi dinrawing na natin siya. Siya yung purpose ng plot. Okay? And what is cosine 45 degrees via the finger magic? Diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, 30, 45 degrees. Okay, tiklop mo yan. What is cosine? 1, 2. So that is square root of 2 over 2. Any questions? Okay? And the last step is just cast. Okay? What is cast nga? C-A-S-T. We have C-A, balitan natin yung color, natin siyang red. We have C-A-S-N-T. This means cosine is positive in this world. Eh, what are we solving? Cosine. That is positive. So, square root of 2 over 2. Tapos na. Any questions? Di ba? So, ganun lang siya kabilis. It's just nakakatakot yung sign, nakakatakot yung pi, nakakatakot yung may negative. Pero technically, the pi is convertible. The negative is just a direction. But after you plot, you use finger magic and then cast. Wow, tapos na. Questions? If wala ng questions, please type Chris and let's move to the next one. Di ba? Sino yung sabi mahirap to? So that's why, if magaling ka, alam mong di mo na kailangan i-break down pa yung 4 steps. Pero if hindi ka magaling, plot, reference angle, finger magic, and cast. Okay, next item tayo. Pili lang ako dito ng maganda-ganda. Okay, sige, isa-isa na lang natin. Problem 2. Evaluate. Tangent naman. Game. Tangent 17 pi over 3. So sa tangent 17 pi over 3, we have para to kay Nicole Tan. Hi, Nicole. O, diba? Hala, may fraction. Hala, may pi. Ano gagawin natin? Iko-convert lang natin. Okay? 17 pi. Diba? Convert. 17 pi over 3. May pi sa taas. Lagyan sa palan mo ng pi sa baba para mawala siya. I-pair mo si 180. Cancel, cancel. 180 divided by 3 is 60. Then 17 times 60 is to what? 60. 42. Sige, calculate ko na lang muna for this one. 1,020. Okay, but if you want to mental it, that is just 600. Tapos, 7 times 6 is 420. So, 1,020. Yes. 1,020 degrees. So, it's just tangent of what? Tangent of 1,020 degrees. Okay? And now, what is step number 1? Step number 1 is plot or locate. If hindi mo alam kung saan ka lulugar, hindi mo talaga malalaman yung value mo. Okay, so alamin mo muna kung saan ka talaga lulugar. Okay? So ngayon, 1,020, ilang ikot siya? Kaya as much as possible, if kaya nyo sa uluhin, di ba, 360, 720, anong kasunod? 1,080. Okay, isa to sa mga technique. So if it's 1,080, pwedeng doon natin siya pupuntahin. Okay? Anong connection nito dito? Di ba, kanina, nagsasubtract tayo eh. Diba? We subtracted 360 from here, so we got 45 degrees. Dito, pag sinubtract natin yung 720, parang ang laki pa rin na number. Pwede mo natin gawin na 1,020 minus 1,080? Yes. Kahit sobra, kahit mapasobra yan, that's gonna be negative 60 degrees. Which is, pinag ko kanina, no matter what happens, tama pa rin siya, magiging coterminal pa rin siya. Why? Oh, let's look. What is negative 60 degrees? Diba? Negative means mula siya dito and mga hanggang dito siya. That is negative 60 degrees. Ano yung coterminal niya in the positive side? Ang coterminal niya in the positive side is what? Ilan yung kulang? Ang kulang niya is, ang kulang niya is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 300 degrees. And look at the magic. If we actually subtracted 1020 to 720 na lang, that is positive 300. Okay? So remember, in finding coterminal angles, huwag kayong matakot na lumagpas na, hala, naging negative na. Kasi positive man or negative, they will land at the same terminal side. So if madali ka sa 720, go. Kasi makita mo yung 720, 300 na lang siya. Pero ako personally, gusto ko siyang mas malapit, mas maliit. Kasi mas madaling i-process. Plus right now, our step 2 is referenced angle, which is kita na natin agad. What's the reference data for this one? Ayan na siya. The negative 60 degrees. Or, you just need the value which is 60 degrees. The reference data is always positive. Kasi hindi na nagamato yung direction. We just need the value kung gaano siya kalayo sa x-axis. Okay? And now we write step 3. Okay? What's step 3? Finger magic. So for our finger magic, we write na, what do we write? This guy, tangent 1020 degrees is equivalent to tangent 60 degrees. What is tangent 60 degrees? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 30, 45, 60 degrees. Square root of right over square root of left. So that is going to be square root of 3 over square root of 1, which is just 1. So ito lang siya, square root of 3. Okay? And again, the final is cast. What is cast? Sulat mo lang. C-A-S-T. Since cosine is positive here and our function is tangent, that's gonna be negative. Kasi cosine lang yung positive dito. Ito yung final answer. Wow! Magic! Any questions? Okay? So, yung repetitive lang siya. Okay? Everyone, please unmute with me and say it with me. Plot, reference data, finger magic, cast. Unmute. 3, 2, 1, go. Plot,
Plot,
at
reference,
reference data, finger
finger
magic,
magic,
and
and
cast.
plot, reference data,
Diba?
finger magic, and cast.
And prerequisite lang naman is conversion. Conversion and finding the coterminal angles. Yun lang yung mahirap sa pagpo-plot. Okay? Any questions? Okay? So let's have one last example. Para, ito pala, sakto, number 3. Cosecant, di ba? May negative na, may pi pa, binaliktad pa. Parang ang galing gumawa ng quiz, ano? Talagang sunod-sunod yung cases. I really like case building. So for the third example, but when doon na sa Chosha Cow, tapos may negative na, may pi pa. Okay? Oh, kayo naman guys, it's your turn. Try nyo nga. Go. Para if may tanong kayo, gusto nyong malinawan, drop nyo. I'm gonna give 1 minute. Try. What's your answer for this? Cosecant, negative 11 pi over 6. Oh, ang bilis naman ni Nicole. See daw. And wait lang, screenshot ko lang to. Quick screenshot lang. And bagay dito. Oops. Lambing sa iyong mga mata. Oh. Okay, time's up. Let's solve. Di ba? Parang pinaghalo-halo na lahat ng kamalasang mahirap. Pero again, same steps lang siya. Okay? Same steps. So, let's go. First, if mahirap, plot lang actually medyo challenging, di ba? The plot is drawing lang, pero you have to convert and everything. So, i-process mo siya separately. Again, if you want to process it in radians, go ahead. Pero ako kasi, mas madali lang yung degrees. Okay? So, 11 pi over 6. May pi sa taas, lagyan mo ng pi sa baba. I-partner mo si 180. Okay? So, cancel. Cancel. 180 divided by 6 is 30. 30 times 11 is 330 degrees. Okay? Pero it's negative. Okay? So, ngayon, let's solve. Since cosecant is just 1 over cosine, isolve muna natin, 1 over cosine tuloy, 1 over sine, okay, isolve muna natin yung value ni sine, tapos babaligtarin lang natin yung sa dulo. Kaya this cosecant, secant, and cotangent is just, wala, hotdog, ibabaliktad mo lang naman sa dulo. So do not be scared. Okay? Kaya sinabi ko kanina, madali lang ang trigo, nakaka-intimidate lang siya kasi the names are scary. Makita ko ba naman ng cotangent dyan, di ba? Pero at cut level, babaliktarin mo lang yung value ng tangent. Okay? So now let's solve. So step number 1 is just plot. Okay? So let's plot. Ang plot nito is negative 330 degrees. So let's draw. Negative siya ha. So from dito, papunta siya sa, you have to imagine, 90, 180, 270. So nandito siya. Okay, that is negative 330 degrees. Ayun na. Okay? And now we have to do step 2, reference theta. Ano yung pinakamalapit na x-axis? Ito. Ilan pa yung kulang ni 330? So itong negative guys, pag nagko-compute ka ng reference theta, kahit di mo siya pansinin, kasi you just look at the magnitude, ilan pa yung kulang ng 330 para makarating dito? 30 degrees na lang eh. Di ba? Hindi niya pa inabot. So the reference theta is 30 degrees. Okay? And then we do that. Number 3, finger magic. Kanina nire-rate ko pa siya, pero pwede nyo na rin siyang mag-i-rewrite. Okay? The finger magic means you have to solve for cosecant. Di ba? What is cosecant nga? That is just sine. So, we solve muna for sine of 30 degrees. What is sine of 30 degrees? 0, 30. That is just 1/2. Okay? And then we find the what? Cast. Okay? So cast is just C-A-S-T. Lahat is positive dito. Di ba? That means the final value of sine 30, sine of this guy, 330, negative 330 is just equivalent to positive 1/2. Okay? Pero that is sine. Anin ko lang natin talaga? Ang inanon talaga natin is cosecant. Diba? So we just have to reverse it. 1 over 2, reverse it is just reciprocal 2. So, ayan na siya. Positive 2. Tapos na. Wow. Magic. Any questions? See? So, the Choshakaw is just i-reciprocal mo lang siya sa dulo. Pero the set of steps is just the same. Any questions? Ngayon, pinakita ng unit circle trigonometry, gano'n na siya kadali for you. 10 being madali-dali. Okay, unit circle trigonometry, this scary part. Rate yourselves, guys. Gano'n na siya kadali for you. And let's move to the third and final case. 7, 7. Okay. 8. So ngayon, stop recording muna. Muna tayo sa third case. Third case is, wait. Ano pa lang isa dito? Let me just give, or, tingnan natin kung dapat na siya i-discuss. Parehas lang siya eh. Parehas lang siya. And, okay. Third case na nga tayo. So for the third case, ito na yung beyond unit